I used the same lens, the Sigma 56 f1.4, on two different cameras. And I swear, this looks like two completely different lenses. No joke, this actually surprised me.
A beauty queen with nowhere to be, all inside my head, all inside my head.
Hey guys, so today we're testing the Sigma 56 f1.4 on the Canon R50 V and the Panasonic Lumix GX85. Same lens, same aperture, same idea.
And I fell into a deep, deep sleep. Won't you break, break my fall? Won't you break, break my fall?
Okay, first thing, you'll notice immediately, look at the framing. On the Canon R50 V, it feels like a normal portrait lens, nice and natural. But on the GX85, why I'm so zooming? I didn't move, I didn't zoom. It's just the sensor difference.
Deep, deep sleep.
And I fell into.
So, quick explanation. The Canon R50 V is APS-C. The GX85 is a micro four thirds camera, which means the GX85 crops it more. So the 56 on the R50 feels like the portrait lens. On the GX85 becomes a telephoto. That's why it looks like this.
Make your brain sang San Fernando, sipping on a dang dang paid for the condo. Better call the repo, she don't stay there every day. So the Kennedys live with me, in the fin room had a tea and crumpets too. It's a ping pong life, baby wanna sing all night, I can play the trumpet too.
Now let's test in the real shooting. Same distance, the R50V is still usable. GX85, I'm already too close to the wall. So if you are shooting indoors, this is a big difference.
I don't know any more than I used to. If I had one choice, I would choose you. I don't know any more than I used to.
If I had one choice, I would choose
Won't you break my fall? Won't you break my fall? Won't you
Now let's talk about the background blur. Same f1.4, but check this. The Canon R50 V, creamy soft, nice separation. The GX85 still good but not strong. So yes, sensor size really affects it too.
My name is Citizen Shade. Well, don't you think it's funny that you wanted to see me now after all these years? Because slowly I watched.
Using this lens on the R50 V feels flexible. I can shoot portraits, products, and even indoor content. But on GX85, this is not a casual lens anymore. This is like stand far and shoot type lens.
Sometimes I lie awake and I wonder why you're there. Never should have had to try so hard, I must confess. But I saw the things in you that I've never seen before, and anyone anymore.
So who should use this setup? Canon R50V plus the Sigma 56 is perfect for portraits, product shoots, everyday shooting. For the GX85 or any micro four thirds camera, plus the Sigma 56 is perfect for tight portraits, street photography for the distance, and cinema compressed shots. But for vlogging, GX65 is too tight.
know that you ignore me even when your cell phone's on. You know that you still have my heart even though.
If you are into a real camera test like this, no specs, just the result, make sure to subscribe because I upload photography and filmmaking content every week.